So, dear students, today we are going to start our next part of speech, that is adverb. One more important thing I want to tell you, that you have to complete your notebooks. So, last time we had already done 4 parts of a speech, and it's very difficult, I think, to write. It takes a lot of time to write. So today I am going to give you only explanation and notes of adverb. Only one we are going to do, one part of a speech, that is adverb. And the remaining 3 we will do in our next lecture, that is conjunction, interjection and preposition. Okay. So let us start adverb. Let us see. In adverb we are going to do adverbs, definition, kinds and formation. Now what is adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb. Already we had studied what is verb. Verb means action words. Singing, dancing, laughing, moving, writing, reading, cooking. These are what? Actions. Now these are verbs. Adverb means it tells you more about the verb. The work was done. Okay. The work is going on, the work was done. But how the work is going on, how the work was done, we come to know this from adverb. For example, the snake creeps silently. Now what the sentence means? The snake creeps silently. Snake was creeping, moving, but how he was moving? Silently. Action was done. What is action? Creeps. How it was done? Silently. Okay. Now the next example, the baby sleeps soundly. What is an action? Sleeps. And how the action was done? Soundly. Next, he walks slowly. He is walking, but how he is walking? Slowly. So we come to know that the work was done, but how it was done, that also we come to know. So we came to know that adverb tells us more about the verb. Next, the boy laughs loudly. Now how the boy was laughing? Loudly. What is the action? Laugh. Laugh is a verb, and how it was done? Loudly. You can buy books cheaply at this bookstore. Now what action you are going to do? You are going to buy the books. But how you are going to do? Cheaply. Okay. So we came to know that an adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb. Okay. Many examples we are able to see: gracefully, easily, quietly, sadly, quickly, happily. So these are what? These are adverbs. Now let's see the kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverb. There are 4 kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. Now first is adverb of manner. Now what does adverb of manner? Adverb of manner tells us how something was done. The work was done, but how the work was done? Bravely, foolishly, wisely, okay, happily, simply, sweetly, merrily, noisily, brightly, angrily. That means all these words, from all these adverbs we came to know how work was done, how something was done. So adverb of manner tells us how something was done. Now next is adverb of place. Now place doesn't mean the name of the places, that is in noun we say Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. It's not like that place. Place here means an adverb of place tells us where something happened. Place means where something happened. Now the action was done, but where it was done, adverb is going to tell you. Adverb of place is going to tell you. For example, late, here, there, everywhere, inside. If I say that I went there looking for you, okay, where I went? I went there. It is raining outside. Where it was raining? It is raining outside. My friend Swati lives upstairs. Where Swati is living? Upstairs. So upstairs is a place we came to know. The elephant can move the heavy logs of wood anywhere. Now elephant can move the heavy logs of wood. Where? Anywhere. So from adverb of place we come to know that where something happened. Lots of example we can see here, there, inside, down, everywhere, anywhere, outside. So these are the examples of adverb of place. Now the next one is adverb of time. Time means not 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, not this time. Time means when something happens. An adverb of time tells us when something happens. For example, late, early, soon, yesterday. These are the words that comes under adverb of time. See the sentence. Suppose I woke up early in this morning. I woke up early this morning. So early is what? Early tells you the time. Jai came to visit us yesterday. Now Jai came to visit us when? Jai came to visit us yesterday. So from adverb of time we come to know when something happens. Many more words are there. Early, yesterday, soon, now, today. Now it is yesterday, so today. Then these are the words. Tomorrow, once. So these, from this we come to know that adverb of time means it tells us when something happens. Now the last one is adverb of frequency. Now adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. How often something happens. For example, always, never, sometimes, often, rarely, once. Now in sentence form, the poor family often does not have food to eat. Often. He sometimes does his work carelessly. How he is doing his work? Sometimes he was doing his work carelessly. So frequency is, you come to know how often something happens. Sometimes the work was done carelessly. Sometimes I pray in the temple. Sometimes. It tells us how often something happens. We should always speak the truth. Always. Our English teacher is rarely absent. Rarely. If I say I never leave the house without an umbrella, never. So from adverb of frequency we come to know how often something happens. Now next we will see the formation of adverbs. Adverbs are formed by adding ly or illy to adjectives. We will see the word adjective and we are going to add ly or illy. By adding ly or illy, we are going to make adverbs. For example, sad, sadly, quick, quickly, nice, nicely, brave, bravely, safe, safely, clear, clearly, sweet, sweetly. Now adjective by adding illy. Noise, noisily, merry, merrily, happy, happily, angry, angrily, greet, greedily, busy, busily, easy, easily, merry, merrily. So these are what? Formation of adverb. By adding ly or illy to adjective, we can form the adverb. Now the next one is your assignment. Here we completed our topic. So what we have seen today? Adverbs. What is the definition of adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb. Means the work was done, but how the work was done we come to know by adverb. We had seen 4 kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner. First is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how something was done, how the work was done. Angrily, brightly, sadly, noisily, quickly. These are what? Tiredly, greedily, swiftly. These are adverb of manners. Then we had seen adverb of place. From adverb of place we come to know where something happened. Next is adverb of time. From adverb of time we come to know that when something happens. Next we had seen adverb of frequency. Now an adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. Now it's time for your assignment. So your first assignment is write 5 examples of kinds of adverb. You have to write 5 examples of adverb of manner, 5 examples of adverb of time, 5 examples of adverb of place and 5 examples of adverb of frequency. Next is formation of adverbs with write 10 examples of ly and 10 of illy. We had seen that we are going to add ly or illy to the adjective and it will be this way we can form adverb. So it's now you are going to write 10 examples, 10 adjective first you are going to write, and then by adding ly and by adding illy you are going to make 10 examples of adverbs. Okay, hope you understood.